Hey, I'm gonna try this again. I got my flashlight working. You can see the ice has that down pretty low. Like I said, I heard some branches breaking, which scared the crap out of me. But as far as I know, it's not on my property. Unless it's behind the garage. Yep, that looks good. On my side. I still think it's over there on his side. But it sounded big and sounded loud. It's especially the second time it happened. There's that branch. No biggie. It may pop back up once this ice melts down. Just pray we don't lose electricity. I don't know what we would do. With 3 dogs and a cat and a rabbit. See the ice on my car. It wasn't my tulip tree. If you see, we got it off the house, pretty much, so. No branches down here. Now, a couple trees over here are known for dropping branches. But it didn't sound like it was that far off. It sounded closer. If it sounded close enough, to scare the crap out of me. Looks like it's been a little while since anybody's drove down my road. Did you hear that? Maybe it's just the ice falling off. I hope so. But it's got me shaky, guys. I said, I hope it was just the ice falling off. And not branches breaking. But yeah, that's what we are dealing with in southwestern Indiana. In the Ohio Valley. Joy, oh joy, oh joy. What fun. Alright, that's it for tonight. Maybe I'll do another one in the morning. And see how the conditions are when I get up. I think I'm going to get off here and call work. And give them more of a notice than they need. Goodbye.